Hello, good afternoon students, class 12th. First chapter we have completed. Now the video I am sending for the class 12th second chapter, that is the principles of management. Okay, in first chapter you have learned about the management. Now the term is for the principles of management. And what is principles of management? Principles of management are broad and general guidelines for decision making and behavior. So what is the principles of management? They are the general guidelines. They are the general guidelines and the behavior for the management. These principles serve as a general practical guidelines. These principles are serve as a general practical guidelines for the manager, assisting him to make decisions taken against and solve problems systematically. So what is principles of management? Now the principles of management are general guidelines. They are the general guidelines and the behavior to which the managers has to follow. Okay, nature of principles of management. Universal applicability. Yes, the first nature of principles of management is universal applicability. Yes, but what do you mean by universal? Universal means whether it is India, it is China, it is Japan, it is Australia, it is Pakistan, wherever you go, whether it is banking, telecommunication, hospitals, schools, colleges, universities, all where principles of management are applicable. So first nature of principles of management is universal applicability, and the second is general guidelines. General guidelines, you know what is guidelines. Guidelines are the routes plan on which we have to walk and achieve our targets. Third is formed by practice and experimentation. Yes, you have heard about the management is a science which is truly based on the scientific methods and tools that are the experimentation and the flexible. You know what is flexible? Flexible means better you can change your general guidelines and behavior. You can change according to the situation of the environment. Okay, so what is the another nature of principles of management? Is the nature of principle management is flexible. It means the principles that the general guidelines can be changed according to the environment or according to the situation, and the cause and effect relationship. First of all, now we should know what is cause. If we take this action, then what will be the effect on this cause? And contingent. Now I would like to tell you what is contingent. Contingent means it may or may not be happen in the future, but we all must get ready. Just like insurance, we take health insurance. As in business, we also take fire insurance. Okay, business insurance. There are so many types of possibility in the probability of loss. That's why we have to take the insurance. Okay, and the mainly behavior. All the principles of management are depend on the behavior and general guidelines. Okay students, this is my first video on the first chapter. I hope you will enjoy this video and make the notes I have sent you. Okay, thank you.